Good morning, guys. Today, day number 3 at the Punta Cana Resort, the RIU Palace, Bavaro, whatever the case may be. But we're having a great time so far, hanging out with some great people. Loving it, loving it, loving it. It's already warm here today. Here it is. Early morning. Ain't even 10 o'clock yet. It is. The sun is shining. The skies are blue. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful day here. No doubt about it. We're gonna get some breakfast. We're gonna be hanging out at the pool. We're gonna be celebrating my birthday in Punta Cana. So today is gonna be a good day. Woo!
Alright, woo crew, life's good today, fam. We are in one of the adult-only pools here at the RIU Palace, Bavaro. This is day 3. Special day for me. It's May 19th, 2021. 48 years ago, I was born. Woo! Feliz Campianos to me. That's right, that's right. Having a great time here in the Dominican Republic, having an awesome time, awesome people.
Okay guys, it's like 60 degrees here in Tulsa, and look who I found in Tulsa today. Woo! Who's that? No, not double take, that's Alma. Punta Cana! Woo! What is about that? Haha! Yeah. Surprise them all. Happy birthday, Ronnie.
I'm just so freaking happy. I mean, y'all, it is a great surprise. I'm telling you, best birthday ever. Okay, we'll just gonna come. That's right. Hey, what's going on? Woo! Happy birthday, Ronnie! Best birthday ever. I mean, come on. How could it not be? I'm in paradise. I'm hanging out with a lot of great people, and then the beautiful people. So, the Vizos, some of my favorite people show up. What's going on? Woo! Life is good today for sure. Life is good today for sure. I can't wait for tomorrow to have a whole day, no doubt. Oh, I can't. Woo! Gracias.
Asfíxiala con flores y locura, contágiala de toda tu ternura. cantará, con flores y canciones no le falles. Reina del Rey para Bavaro.
Now I know it. It's awesome.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Que lo cumpla feliz. Que lo cumpla, que lo cumpla feliz. Ay, el medio.
Who wants some cake? All right, guys. Look what I got. I don't do it very often. Smoking a cigar, drinking a drink. It's my birthday. Woo! Great times in Punta Cana. I got me a great cigar for my birthday, drinking great drinks, hanging out with great friends, gonna sing some karaoke, have a great time. 48 years old. I'm a lucky man.